तुवें तो म्हाका विचारलें जाय तूं amongst all professions I find journalists as a professions are always close to the government. They have to be critics of the government. They should be questioning the government. He said we are the fourth estate, that fourth pillar of the constitution as a watchdog. I fully accept Rico's views that governmentaचे job न्हू felicitate करपाक, but he is also right that once when एकल्या कोणा award मेळ्ळो ताजी credibility वाडटा, तो खंयची ऑफिसां काम करता त्या ऑर्गनायझेशन credibility वाडटा. It also acts as a benchmark for others. But why should the governments give the awards? According to me, these awards must come from journalists. There must be a peer review of the work that is being done by journalists, and the awards must come from them. But somehow the feeling is credibility of journalists is down. I am not saying credibility of journalists is down. Credibility of all professions is down. Every profession is now becoming more and more of commerce. It was not like this maybe before 90s of last century, but now it is more and more commerce. And in this commercial world, I find that instead of depending on the reader, the journalists are depending on the government, and that is a very serious sign of our times.